So unfortunately, you can't permanently make a ring smaller at home, but there are some temporary fixes you can use. So a temporary sizer guard, which you can get off of Amazon, is going to be a thin little plastic piece here. It's kind of got a curve to it. And what you'll do is you'll match the contour of your ring and you slide it onto the ring just like that. Again, this is temporary. You definitely don't want to have this on your finger for the rest of your life. So you'll eventually want to go to a jeweler and get it professionally sized down. So much like the sizing guard, a spring insert is going to be something that you can get off of the internet or Amazon. And what you'll do, it's very stretchy and malleable. And so you'll put your ring kind of in the center there and wrap the spring guard around it. So, much like the guard, it's going to be a little plastic thing on the bottom of your ring. Again, it's just a temporary fix. So sizing beads are a more permanent solution. Sometimes if a ring mostly fits you, but it has trouble getting over your knuckle, or maybe it's top heavy and it's tilting, the jeweler will choose and guide you. And ultimately what will happen is the jeweler is going to put two little balls in your ring here. And they're all of different sizes. And what they do is it helps take up some space on your finger or balance the ring out. They will make sure to get your proper ring size so they know if they're going up or down on the ring that you've given them. Then the process is very simple. The jeweler will either cut your ring at the bottom, expand it to the size it needs to be if we're going up, or cut out the metal that they're taking out to size it down and refuse the bottom. They'll round it out, polish it, clean it, and you'll have a brand new ring that fits you. Essentially, yeah, I mean, you never want a ring that's gonna fly off of your finger, or when you're washing your hands, maybe fall down the drain. So it's a good practice to have a ring that fits you appropriately. You also don't want it, rolling around and banging on random things either. So I would say yes, making sure your ring is the proper fit is gonna be the best thing for you. At BriteCo, we're happy to offer insurance to you for loss, stolen, theft, mysterious disappearance, and we have you covered for damage as well. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope these temporary sizing solutions were helpful. Make sure when you're ready to get your ring properly sized, you go to a professional and then you get that baby insured.